Hello mga kasipnayan! Welcome sa ating unang video ng math tutorial. Sa video na ito, tuturuan ko kayo ng different factoring techniques. Meron tayong tinatawag na greatest common factor, difference of two squares, and trinomial in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Sa trinomial general form, meron tayong two cases. The first case is if a is greater than 1, and the other case is if a equals 1. The a here is the numerical coefficient of the leading term. And at the end of this video, tuturuan ko din kayo ng ilan sa mga matrix na alam ko, kung saan you can multiply 2 to 3 digit numbers sa mabilisan na lamang. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara, umpisa na natin to. Alright, so sa first factoring technique na gagawin natin, ito ay tinatawag na greatest common factors. So we have three examples here. The first example is 2x plus 8. Another example is 2x squared minus 6x. And the last example is 6x cubed minus 8x squared. Alright, para sa ating solution number 1, 2x plus 8. Okay, so titingnan lang natin kung ano yung common factors dun sa dalawang terms natin. So, meron tayong 2 and 8. And the common factors of 2 and 8 is 2. So, ilalabas lang natin yung 2 sa parenthesis. So, 2 times x is 2x. X na lang yung matitira doon. So, 2 times x is 2x. And dito, plus, and the number that can be multiplied by 2 to obtain 8 is of course 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. And so our factors of 2x plus 8 is 2 times the quantity of x plus 4. Alright, so for our second example, which is 2x squared minus 6x. Now, as you can see, both terms have numerical and literal coefficient. Merong parehong variable na x. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung common sa kanilang dalawa. So, ang 2x squared at ang 6x ay parehong merong common factor na 2x. So, ilalabas natin si 2x. So, ang titingnan na dito, excuse me, ay x na lang. So, 2x times x is 2x squared. And dito naman, ang matitira lang dito ay 3 na lang. Kasi 2x times 3 is 6x. And so, that's our factors of 2x squared minus 6x. 2x times the quantity of x minus 3. For the third example, which is 6x cubed minus 8x squared. So, sa 6x cubed minus 8x squared, titignan din natin ulit kung ano yung common factors nilang dalawa. So, meron silang parehong 2 na factors. 2 times 3, 2 times 4. And pareho silang may x na variable. Kukunin natin yung least exponent ng variable, yung may pinakamaliit na exponent ng variable. So, x squared. So, ang lalabas natin dito ay 2x squared. At ang matitira na lamang sa loob ng parenthesis ay yung factors na pag minultiply natin sa 2x squared ay magiging 6x cubed. And that is correct, 3x. So, 2x squared times 3x is 6x cubed. Minus, dito, ang matitira na lang ay 4. 2x squared times 4 is 8x squared. And so, this is our factors of 6x cubed minus 8x squared. Okay, para naman sa ating second factoring technique, ay tinatawag natin itong difference of two squares. So, we have three examples here. First example is x squared minus 9. Second example is 4x squared minus 25, and the last example is 9x squared minus 16. So, ito lang ang technique na gagawin natin. No? So, nahin natin yung number 1, which is x squared minus 9. Okay, pag sinabing difference of two squares, so, when we say difference, that is minus, subtraction. So, ayan, minus yan. Tapos, ang first and last term ay both perfect square. So, napansin niyo yung x squared ay perfect square, ganun din yung 9. So, ang gagawin natin dito, gagawa lang tayo dito ng dalawang grouping symbol or open and close parenthesis, which indicates multiplication. Tapos, kunin natin yung factors ng x squared. So, ang factors ng x squared is x and x. And then, kunin din natin yung factors ng 9, that is 3. Okay? So, 3 squared is 9. Okay? And then, ang kanilang side, it's always opposite sign. So, positive and negative. So, kahit magkapalit sila, pwede ito maging negative, ito maging positive, it doesn't matter. So, ang factors ng x squared minus 9 ay x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. Alright? So, let's have another example. We have 4x squared minus 25. So, ang technique natin, gawa lang tayo ng dalawang parenthesis dito for grouping symbol. And i-factors natin ang first term or the 4x squared. So, ang factors ng 4x squared ay 2x and 2x. Alright? 2x times 2x is 4x squared. At ang factors naman ng 25 ay 5 and 5. And there you have it, and then different sign. So, our factors of 4x squared minus 25 is 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. Okay? And for the last example, we have 9x squared minus 16. So, gawagin tayo ng dalawang parenthesis na ganito. Tapos, i-factors natin ang 9x squared. So, alam naman natin ang factors ng 9 or square root of 9 is 3. Okay, 3x and 3x. And the square root of 16 is 4. And, lagyan natin ang opposite side. So, there you have it. Okay? Okay, so sa ating third technique of factoring ay tinatawag natin itong trinomial in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So, as I mentioned earlier, meron tayong dalawang case dito. First case is if a is equals to 1. At yung isang case natin, if a is greater than 1. Again, yung a na tinutukoy natin dito, that is the numerical coefficient of the leading term. Okay, yun nasa unahan. So, tingnan natin yung mga examples. We have 4 examples here. X squared minus 6x plus 9. X squared plus 5x plus 6. X squared plus 4x minus 12. And x squared minus 7x minus 18. At kung mapapansin niyo, ang lahat ng numerical coefficient ng first term ay 1. So, if you are not seeing any number sa first term, it doesn't mean na wala siyang numerical coefficient. Meron yon, that is 1, at hindi na yung isinusulat. So, pakita natin yung technique kung paano kuhanin yung mga factors ng mga ito. So, number 1, we have x squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay, mga kasipnayan, ito ang technique. Tandaan nyo mabuti. Pag ang sign ng last term ay positive, okay, ibig sabihin, like sign. Ibig sabihin, magkapareho ng sign ang factors. Pag positive, ang sign ng last term. And pag positive din, ang sign ng last term, ibig sabihin, etong 6 na to ay sum. Ibig sabihin, yung numbers na 6, yung sa middle term, ay sum siya. Inad siya. Alright? At kung ano yung sign na nasa gitna, yun yung sign na gagamitin natin. Okay, gawa tayo ng dalawang parenthesis. Okay? And then, i-factors muna natin ng x squared, which is x and x. Alright? Now, sabi natin kanina na pag ang sign ng last term ay positive, magkaparehong sign, like sign. Ang tanong, anong sign na gagamitin natin? Magkaparehong Magkaparehong positive ba o parehong negative? So, kung ano yung sign ng gitna, yun yung sign na gagamitin natin. Ibig sabihin, pareho silang negative. Okay? And sabi natin, yung gitnang number ay sum siya ng dalawang number na pag pinag-multiply ay 9. So, isip tayo ng dalawang number na once we multiply, it is 9. And once we add, it is 6. So, that's 3. Okay? So, 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 plus 3 is 6. And there you have it. That's the factors of x squared minus 6x plus 9. We have x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. Alright? Let's have another example. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay. So, ang sign ng last term ay positive. So, ibig sabihin, ang sign na gagamitin natin ay magkapareho ulit. At anong sign na gagamitin natin? Kung ano yung sign nung nasa gitna. So, positive. So, pareho positive yan. Okay. Now, i-factors na natin ang x squared. That is x and x. And sinabi ko rin kanina na pag ang sign ng last term ay positive, ibig sabihin ito ay sum. Okay? Katulad nun. Sum dahil positive ito. So, let's think two numbers na pag pinag-multiply natin ay 6 at pag pinag-add naman natin ay 5. Yes, you're right. That's 2 and 3. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5. And there you have it. Okay? So, the factors of x squared plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 2. Alright, so let's have another example. Number 3, we have x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, so ang technique, gawa lang tayo ng dalawang grouping symbol dito or parenthesis. And okay, so ito, class, kanina sabi natin, pag ang sign ng last term ay positive, like sign. So dito, pag ang sign ng last term ay negative, meaning it is unlike sign. And when we say unlike sign, magkaiba. Okay? So, lagyan na natin ng magkaibang sign. Isang positive, isang negative. Okay. Tapos, kung negative ang sign ng last term, yung number na to ay difference. Pag sinabing difference, pinag-minus. Okay. So, i-factors na muna natin ang x squared, that is x and x. Now, let's think two numbers na pag pinag-multiply natin ay 12 at pag pinag-minus naman natin ay 4 kasi difference nga siya. So, ano kaya ang two numbers na pag pinag-multiply ay 6 and pag pinag-minus ay 4? Yes, you're correct. 6 and 2. 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Ang tanong, saan natin ilalagay si 6 and 2? Dahil ang sign natin ng middle term ay positive, ibig sabihin, nasa kanya yung larger factor. So, dito natin ilalagay si 6 at dito natin ilalagay si 2. Okay? So, our factors of x squared plus 4x minus 12 is x plus 6 times the quantity of x minus 2. Alright, so for example, number 4, we have x squared minus 7x minus 18. Okay, so ang technique nga natin kanina, if the sign of the last term is negative, ibig sabihin, unlike sign. And if the sign of the last term is negative, therefore the number in the middle term is difference. Okay, when we say difference, minus yun. Okay? So, gawa na tayo dito ng dalawang parenthesis. At dahil na unlike sign, lagyan natin ng magkaibang sign, isang positive, isang negative. And then, i-factors na natin ang x squared. So, x and x. Alright. Now, let's think two numbers na pag pinag-multiply natin ay 18 at pag pinag-minus naman natin ay 7. Yes, that's 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18 and 9 minus 2 is 7. So, saan natin ilalagay yung larger factor which is 9? Kung ano yung sign yung nasa gitna, siya yung nagmamay-ari ng larger factor. So therefore, dito si 9 at dito si 2. Okay? So therefore, ang factors ng x squared minus 7x minus 18 is x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 9. Alright. Okay, para sa ating last technique ng factoring, meron tayong tinatawag na trinomial in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is greater than 1. Kanina yung isang case natin is a equals 1. So ngayon, a is greater than 1. Again, ano nga yung a? A is the numerical coefficient of the leading term. So, ano nga ba ang gagawin natin if a is greater than 1? So let's take a look at our example. So we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. And the other example is 4x squared minus 16x plus 15. And as you can see, our a here, or the numerical coefficient of the leading terms, is greater than 1. It's 2 and 4. So, paano ang gagawin natin na makuha yung factors na hindi natin kailangan mag-trial and error na eksakto agad yung sagot natin? So, ang tawag ko sa method na to ay AC, B, and CP method. Okay? So, our AC is product, and our B either sum or difference, and our CP is the correct pair. Okay, correct pair. So, let's state the given example, which is 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. So, our A here is 2, and our B is 5, and our C is 12. Okay. So, AC, so meaning that's 2 and negative 12, we will multiply kasi product na. So 2 times negative 12 is negative 24. Okay. And yung B natin, ano nga yung B natin? Negative 5. Okay. So, i-is na tayo ng correct pair, or we will take two numbers na pag pinag-multiply ay negative 24 at pag pinag-subtract ay negative 5. Anyway, paano nga ba natin masasabi na kung yung number na to ay sum or difference? Depende ulit sa sign ng last term. Since ang sign ng last term ay negative, so difference ang gagamitin natin. Okay? So let's take two numbers na pag pinag-multiply natin ay negative 24 at pag pinag-minus naman natin ay negative 5. So I think we have negative 8 and positive 3. So, negative 8 and positive 3, that's negative 24. Negative 8 and positive 3, ang sagot ay negative 5. Okay, now since we have two correct pair number, which is negative 8 and 3, lalagyan lang natin sila ng x. So, negative 8x and positive 3x. Okay? Tapos, ipapalit natin siya dito kay 5x. So, ito na mangyayari. 2x squared. Tapos, isunod natin to minus 8x plus 3x and minus 12. Ayan. Okay? And then, magkakaroon tayo ng regrouping. I-regroup natin sila. So, i-group natin itong 2x squared minus 8x. Tapos sila din, plus 3x minus 12. Okay. Now, babalikan natin yung kaninang technique natin ng greatest common factor. Hanapin natin yung common factors nila, tapos yung ilalabas natin. So, dito ang common factors ay 2x, dito ay 2x din. So, ilalabas natin si 2x. So, matitira na lang dito ay x minus 4. Tingnan natin. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. Dito naman, ang common factor nila ay 3. Pareho silang may 3. So, ilalabas na natin si 3. So, matitira sa loob ay x minus 4. So, 3 times x, 3x, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Pag meron kayong parehong factors ng binomial, ibig sabihin, you're doing the right thing. Tama yung ginagawa niya, tama yung solution niyo. So, ano yung pinakamagiging final factors natin? So, itong 2x, tsaka si positive 3, ipagsasamahin natin. Okay? Tapos sila, we will just copy it once. So, x minus 4. And there you have it. That is the factors of 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo i-check, pwede nyo naman i-check yan gamit ang FOIL method. At pag sinod nito, ito ang magiging sagot niya. Okay, so for our second example, which is 4x squared minus 16x plus 15. Okay? So let us identify first the A, B, and C. Alright, so our A is 4, and our B is negative 16, and our C is positive 15. Okay, so now, kunin natin yung product ng A and C natin. So 4 times 15 is 60. Positive 60. Okay? Now, since positive ang sign ng last term, therefore our B is sum. Sum siya, hindi siya difference. Again, difference lang siya or minus lang siya pag ang sign ng last term ay negative. Pero dahil positive ang sign ng last term, ang B natin ay sum. So, ano nga ba yung B natin? That's negative 16. Okay. So now, our challenge here is to take the two numbers, our correct pair, two numbers na pag pinag-multiply natin ay positive 60 at pag pinag-add naman natin ay negative 16. So ano kaya yung two numbers na yun? Pwedeng negative 10 and negative 6. Tama? Negative 10 times negative 6 is positive 60. Dahil pareho sila ng sign, negative 10 and negative 6, pwede siyang i-add, that's negative 60. Okay, so now lalagyan na natin sila ng x variable, yung dalawang numbers na yun. So negative 10x and negative 6x. Now we have two numbers na ipapalitan natin siya sa middle term. So ito na siya, 4x squared. Instead of negative 16x, ito na ipapalit natin. So, meron tayong negative 10x and negative 6x. Then, the last term, copy, positive 15. Alright. And then, the next step is regrouping. Let's regroup them. So, 4x squared minus 10x, first group. Dahil minus to, so, ang nasa loob ng parenthesis natin ay positive 6x. Kasi, negative times positive is negative. Okay? At dahil positive ang pinaka-product, so dapat ang factors ay negative din. So, it's 15. Tingnan natin. Negative times positive 6 is negative 6x. And negative times negative 15 is positive 15. So, ayan yung grouping natin. Okay? And then, ilabas na natin yung kanilang common factors. Ang common factors ng 4x squared and 10x ay 2x, I think. Okay, so tingnan natin. 2x. So, para maging 4x squared yan, lagyan din natin ng 2x. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Dito, para maging 10x, ito ay 5. 2x times 5, it's 10x. Okay. So dito, ang common factors naman natin dito ay, I think, 3. So minus 3. So para maging 6x, i-multiply natin siya sa 2x. Negative 3 times 2x, it's 6x. At dito naman ay 5. 3 times 5, it's 15. Okay. So now, again, pag meron kayong parehong binomial factors, ibig sabihin, your solution is correct. So we have 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5. So ito ay pagsasamahin natin as one of the factors. So 2x minus 3. And then the other factor is 2x minus 5. And there you have it. So the factors of 4x squared minus 16x plus 15 is 2x minus 3 times the quantity of 2x minus 5. Alright, so mga kasipnayan, sana marami kayong natutunan sa different factoring techniques. And as I have promised earlier, sa end of video ay magtuturo ko o mag-share ako sa inyo ng ilan sa mga math tricks na alam ko. So, ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-multiply ng 2 or 3-digit numbers sa 11 ng mabilisan lamang. For example, we have 25 times 11. Okay? So, ang technique dito na para makuha nyo yung product na hindi nyo na kailangan mag-solve, mental lang ang gagamitin natin, mental math lang. So, ganito siya. You copy the last digit, 5. You copy the first digit, which is 2. And you add the 2 and 5, the 2 digits. So, 2 plus 5 is 7. So, the product of 25 times 11 is 275. Let's have another example. For example, 34 times 11. So, the product here is 374. So, copy the last digit, copy the first digit, and add the 3 and 4. Paano naman kung ito ay 3-digit? For example, we have 253 times 11. So, ang gagawin lang natin, we will copy the last digit, which is 3, and add yung magkasunod, 5 plus 3, 8. So, plus yan. And then, plus mo din yung 2 and 5, which is 7. And then, copy the first digit. So, we have 2,783. So, I hope you learned something today for today's video. And abangan nyo ang mga susunod pa nating video. At in every end of the video, ay magbibigay ako ng mga math tricks na kung saan makakatulong sa inyo para maging mas matinik at mas maging mabilis sa pag-solve or pag-compute ng mga math or ng numbers. So, thank you for watching this video. Please share, like, comment, and don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be updated sa mga upcoming videos din. Subscribe na rin kayo sa video natin. And kung meron kayong mga preferred lesson or mga request topic, just comment down below para sa susunod mapaghanda natin. See you guys sa next video. Maraming salamat. Have a good day and happy learning.